Hi, this is Elliot from Gigs Online, and today I'm going to talk about something you can do that's very easy to get started, and it's called retail arbitrage, where you find items very cheaply and you resell them. One platform that you can do this on is eBay. There are others like Poshmark. I have a lot of experience with eBay. I've been an eBay seller for many, many years, and you never really know what things are worth until you kind of do research and you learn it. So the one thing that does sell well is things like this. You may go, what the heck is this? Well, for one, it's an owl. That's the first thing. But this is actually a piece that was made, and what you do is you sit it down like this on a surface, like a table or a counter, and you put hot stuff on it. And you can use it for when you're cooking or when you're preparing a meal. So this is a wood piece that a lot of people don't know how to take care of. So this is something you can find very cheaply, at thrift shops or even yard sales, where people are like, it looks, when you don't take care of it properly, it looks a little ashy. And so all you have to do is treat it. If you would like to see videos where I treat stuff, please drop a comment. But things like this sell very, very well. You can get these things really, really cheap. And what you can do is, resell them because they're valuable to people, and people grew up with these things. And so this is a cool owl, and it's got a little personality, and it's very useful. You can put hot stuff on it and not mess up your surfaces. So these are things that sell very well, and eBay is a great platform. It's still a great platform if you're trying to have a secondary income or a side hustle and you want to bring in some extra income. I would say check out eBay, and you can sell things like this all day. So if you got any questions about eBay or wood pieces or anything else, drop a comment. And if you found anything in this video useful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. And that's all I got today. Bye.